saying Saturday, we might get some sun. Saturday, sunny, high near 33. Sunday, cloudy, high near 34.